Hello students, I am Jaiprakash Yadav here with a new video which is CBSE class 10th Maths Real Numbers exercise 1.3. If you have seen my earlier video, in that video I have discussed how to prove irrationality of irrational numbers. In this video I will do the exercise. I hope you must have watched my earlier videos. If you have not did that, please go in the description box and click on the links. वॉच द रिस्पेक्टिव वीडियोस. अगर आपने मेरा पिछला वीडियोस नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाइए, वहां पे लिंक दिया है मैंने, उस पर क्लिक करके प्लेयर में देख लीजिए, इसके बाद ये वीडियो देखिए, तब आपको ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. मैंने पहले पार्ट में कल पहले पार्ट में सिखाया था कि रूट टू को इरेशनल नंबर कैसे प्रूव करते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन सेम उसी तरह है. आई होप यू कैन सॉल्व दिस. अगर आप लोग इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज वीडियो को पॉज करिए, आप ट्राई करिए, इसके बाद इस वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करिएगा. ओके, देखते हैं कैसे हम लोग प्रूफ करेंगे रूट 5 इज रैशनल नंबर. तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सॉल्व इट बाय कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन मेथड. विल अज्यूम लेट रूट 5 इज अ रैशनल नंबर. Okay, now root 5 is a rational number. As I said in last video, that root 5 can be written as a upon b, where a and b are co-prime. Co-prime मतलब क्या होता है? ऐसे दो नंबर्स जिनका HCF 1, मतलब जब सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन. रूट 5 पर b where a and b are co-prime. फिर हमने क्या किया था? हमने इसको सॉल्व करके ये दिखाया था कि a और b का HCF 1 नहीं है. HCF 1 नहीं मतलब दे मस्ट हैव सम अदर कॉमन फैक्टर. यस, अगर ऐसा आ गया तो क्या होता है कि हमारा जो अजम्पशन है वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. अगर हमारा अजम्पशन रॉन्ग हुआ मतलब जो था वो सही है. रूट 5 क्या है? एक इरेशनल नंबर है. चलो देखते हैं इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. ये आएगा आपका रूट 5 b इक्वल्स टू a. स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड करेंगे हम. ये आ जाएगा 5b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर. तो ध्यान से देखिए कि 5b स्क्वायर बराबर a स्क्वायर हो गया. मतलब a स्क्वायर का वैल्यू 5 इंटू b स्क्वायर है. मतलब a स्क्वायर का वैल्यू 5 इंटू समथिंग है. इन अदर वर्ड्स a स्क्वायर इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. इफ इट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 मीन्स इट मस्ट हैव 5 एज अ फैक्टर. देयरफॉर विल राइट 5 divides a square. मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में पढ़ाया था, if 5 divides a square then 5 divides a. if 5 divides a, अगर 5 divides a है इसका मतलब क्या? we can write a as multiple of 5. मतलब a का जो वैल्यू होगा 5 into something होगा. वो समथिंग मैंने m ले लिया. where m is some integer. where m is some integer. Now further, if we can write a is equal to 5m, we'll substitute the same value over here and see what is the value of b. So it will become what? 5b square. Here a square means 5m square. 5 square 25m square 20m square 25m square. Now 5 5s are 25. So we got b square value as, I'll write here, we got b square value as 5m square. 5 into something. Again, see, this is something. मतलब b स्क्वायर का वैल्यू जो है वो भी 5 into something है. मतलब मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 है. मतलब क्या? 5 इज अ कॉमन फैक्टर. 5 डिवाइड करता है b को भी, b स्क्वायर को, सॉरी. देयरफॉर विल राइट 5 डिवाइड्स b स्क्वायर. देयरफॉर व्हाट वी से 5 डिवाइड्स b. If 5 divides b, number 2, and here 5 divides a, number 1, from these two results what we get? 5 divides a, 5 divides b, मतलब 5 divides both a and b. If 5 divides both a and b means 5 is a common factor of both a and b. Means what? They are not co-prime. Means what? Our assumption is wrong. Means what? Root 5 is a rational number. That's it. That's the logic. Okay, so from 1 to what we got, from 1 and 2 we get what, sorry, that 5 is common factor of both A and B. Therefore we'll write what, A and B are not co-prime. Co-prime के लिए क्या कंडीशन होना चाहिए, उनका कॉमन फैक्टर 1 होना चाहिए. Therefore our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. मतलब क्या, therefore root 5 is a irrational number, is an irrational number. I hope you have understood this concept. If you not, please rewind the video and watch it again. Please pause the video and note it down. We'll see the next question after this. Let's see second question. Prove that 3 plus root 2 root 5 is an irrational number. This is a different type of question. We will solve this question also by contradiction method. For solving such type of question, this question, or we say 1 upon, prove that 1 upon root 2 irrational, or we say 7 root 2 irrational. So to solve such type of question, we will use simple method. Because we know the definition of irrational number, any number of the form root m, any number of the form root m, where m is not a perfect square, is irrational number. तो आप इस क्वेश्चन में ध्यान से देखेंगे तो ये पार्ट जो है वो इरेशनल पार्ट है. इस क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देखेंगे तो ये दिस पार्ट इज नॉट इरेशनल पार्ट. इस क्वेश्चन ध्यान से देखेंगे दिस पार्ट इज नॉट इरेशनल पार्ट. ऐसे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का एक मेरे हिसाब से सिंपल लॉजिक है, जो कि हम लोग ये दिखाएंगे कि रैशनल पार्ट इक्वल टू रैशनल पार्ट. क्या इज इट पॉसिबल irrational number is equal to rational number? Is it possible irrational number is equal to rational number? Please comment answer in the comment box. Not possible. So what is my logic? As I said, we will convert this irrational part, this keep irrational part this side, and try to prove it our concept wrong, because we are doing by contradiction method only. So what we will do over here, we'll, as I said, we'll assume it first is a rational number. So if 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number, means we can write this number is in the form of a by b or p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So we can say 3 plus 2 root 5 is equals to a upon b, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0. You can take p by q also, no problem. Okay, these are the variables, you can take anything. P upon q also you can write. See, what I have assumed, 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number, sorry. Then we can write it like this. What I said, क्या logic इसका बताया मैंने, कि keep irrational part this side and move rest part on that side. इससे क्या होगा, irrational equal to rational आ जाएगा, which is not possible. Okay, so अपना assumption wrong हो जाएगा. Assumption wrong, तो answer सही. Okay, so I'll send 3 that side. This will become 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b minus 3. I can say in short 2 root 5 is equals to a minus 3b, I'm sorry, a minus 3b upon b. Now send 2 that side because 2 is a rational number. So send 2 that side, you will get what? Root 5 equals to a minus 3b upon 2b. So this is irrational part, because what is the definition of irrational number? Number of the form root m where m is not a perfect square. So this is by fact it is irrational number. And this side, let's see whether it is rational or irrational. As I said, a and b are integers, so a minus 3b will be also an integer. Difference of two integers is integer, and b not equal to 0. If b not equal to 0, then 2b also will not be equal to 0. So this whole part is what? See, this whole term is integer, this is also integer, and denominator is not equal to 0. It is satisfying the definition of rational number. So this is rational and this is irrational. So this is contradiction to the fact that number of the form root m is a irrational number if the number m is not a perfect square. Okay, so we'll write, we got what we have got over here, irrational equal to rational we got over here. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Is it possible irrational equal to rational? Not possible. So our assumption is wrong. So we will write, therefore, which is contradiction to the fact root 5 is irrational. Which is contradiction to the fact that root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is rational, fact is it is irrational number. Root 5 is irrational number, So which is contradiction to the fact root 5 is an irrational number. So what we write? Our assumption is wrong. Therefore we write our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. If our assumption is wrong, what was our assumption? 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. So if this is wrong, then this is correct. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. This way we will solve this question. I hope you all understood. If you are not understood, again I will say, revise it, rewind the video and watch it. Please pause the video and note it down. We will see next part in next question. Let's see third question. Prove that following are irrationals. 1 by root 2, 7 and root 5, 6 plus root 2. This question we have already solved. What is the logic for solving these questions? I said keep irrational part one side and rational part one side. Means we in this type of question we will solve a contradiction method only. But our intention is to show that rational number is equal to rational number, which is never possible. So our assumption is wrong and the question is correct. Okay. So 1 by root 2. I said keep rational over here. So let us assume that let 1 by root 2 is a rational number. If it is rational number, so we can write 1 by root 2 as a upon b, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0. This is what definition of rational number. Okay. So what I said, our addition, keep rational part this side, irrational part this side and rational part that side. Okay. So what I can do over here, multiply and divide by root 2. If I multiply by root 2 and divide by root 2, so what we are doing? We are just multiplying by 1. You all know that if you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number back. So just multiply and divide by root 2. So what we get? We'll get root 2 upon 2. I hope you understood. Root 2 into 1, root 2, root 2 into root 2 is equal to a by b. Now send to that side. This will become root 2. Why I am not sending root to that side? Because for our addition. So keep irrational part one side, rational part other side. So root 2 will be what? 2a upon b. Now let us check whether this number, the right side number is rational or irrational. Because left side number is quite clear, it is irrational number. By definition, root number of the form root m where m is not a perfect square is a rational number. So root 2 is rational. Now see about a and b. A and b are integers and b not equal to 0. Okay, if a is integer, 2a is also integer. So integer upon integer and denominator is not equal to 0 means right side is a rational number. So we got the case that irrational is equal to rational. So what we write here? Our assumption is wrong, therefore 1 upon root 2 is a irrational number. Now let us see second part. Same way I will do that. Second part. Please pause the video and note it down. It's okay, sir. Now second part we will solve here only. 7 root 5. So what I'll do? I'll write here 7 root 5 is a rational number. So 7 root 5 is equal, can be written in the form a by b, like the same way. Okay. Now what I said, keep irrational part over here, smooth 7 that side. So this will become what? Root 5 equals to a upon 7b. Okay, so this is irrational part, this is irrational part. So again we got the case irrational equal to rational, which is contradiction to the fact. ठीक है, ये irrational है, ये rational है, same way. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore 7√5 is an irrational number. ठीक है, if you want to write this, pause the video and write down. I'll solve the next question also in the same manner. 6 plus √2. So what we'll do here, we'll assume that 6 plus √2 is irrational number. Again, 6 plus √2 can be written in the form a by b, where a and b are integers, and same way. Now, how we'll keep irrational part this side and rational part that side? See, if simply I send 6 that side, rational part remain over here. Or you can do subtract -6, add -6 on both sides. Okay, so just do what? Keep √2 here and send 6 that side. It will become a upon b minus 6. Now see, this is rational number and 6 is also rational number. We have studied in class 8 that rational minus rational is equal to what? Rational again. So we got the same case, irrational equal to rational, irrational equal to rational. So our assumption is wrong. Means what? 6 plus √2 is a rational number, irrational number, sorry. So this way we can solve all the questions. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see in next video and learn exercise 1.4. Thank you.